I am a Temp-tations girl. And, okay, we need strainers? Yes, we do. Do we need different size strainers? Yes, we do. Can we get them? Yes, we do. Can they be cute? Now they can be, because normally they're not. We're getting a set of 3 strainers with this, all different sizes, a large, a medium, and a small.
Yes.
So now perfect for straining like the fruit, for cleaning the fruit, straining the beans that I always have a hard time with.
Yes.
Sifting like I see here. I mean, okay, we're going to show you all the ideas, but I think you know what you need a strainer for.
Yes.
But also you can use it for baking as well. All 3, $22.50. These are beautiful. Clearance price, it's a first day presented at this clearance price of $22.50. We're saving $7.50 on these, and we do have them for you in 4 colors.
Yes.
I'm holding the blue. Let me just put it down so you can see them.
Let me make it easier and put them all the same way.
Perfect. So we have the blue right here. We have the red, the green, and do we have any black left, Chance? And we do have, oh, here's the black. We have 350
Isn't that
remaining
awesome?
in the black.
So all of your core colors that you need in the kitchen are going to be represented here, but I want to just brag on our construction. Look, for 21 years, the reason you keep coming back to Temp-tations is because you can trust us, right? We have that amazing quality in construction, and it's going to start with that great stainless steel basket right there. Tightly woven so that nothing's going to fall through, okay? No pasta's going to fall through, nothing like that. Tara even gives you a helper handle on the side right here, just like we do in our stoneware. So if something's heavy, because this large one will hold 1 pound of pasta, I can hold on this side and I can hold on this side. The other thing it does is it allows me to sit it on top of my pot. It will not fall in. We give you the nestability for storage. You can either hand wash these. Very honestly, I throw them in the top rack of my dishwasher. Not sure if you're supposed to, but I do. And it's for everything from straining to washing your berries. I'll walk over there and just show you real quickly.
Yeah.
Like, this is 1 pound of pasta, right? This is the largest. Oh, I see Carol already did it.
This
Yep.
one's the large.
That's the large. Thank you. Can I just borrow these gloves?
Yes.
And this is why you need these gloves, for
Oh, 'cause
sure.
you're going to strain your pasta.
Because you're going to strain your pasta. But look what we can do here. I can now take this. It's literally sitting right in my sink. I just strain. This is always such a pain, isn't it, when you go?
It is.
And instead of those big clunky things right there, look how I can now get all of that in there. I didn't even lose 1 noodle,
Nope.
Rosina.
Perfect.
1 pound right there. But watch this. If I want to allow it to keep draining,
Yes.
it sits on the side.
I do always want to do that, and it's a perfect way to do it. It sits right on the side because of the little helper handle.
Isn't that gorgeous?
Thank you for that.
Yes. And then I love the fact that you have the design right here, and it's on both sides. If you want to hang it, we even give you the little hang hook right there.
And I appreciate that because you might not have room to put them inside the drawer, but you can hang always, and they are beautiful. This is what I love.
Oh, this is where I just actually feel fancy. I'm not going to lie.
Exactly.
Here, do it, because you feel so
Thank
fancy.
you. Thank you.
Like you just do.
Oh, this is fun.
Because you ever try to put powdered sugar even out of a shaker?
No,
and it
yeah.
gets all clogged, and this is the much easier way to do powdered sugar.
Let it snow.
But look how great this is. This is like an
Beautiful.
essential in the kitchen, don't you think?
No matter what, for so many things, obviously, like one day you're going to use it to strain, one day you're going to use it to sift, or even when you are creating the recipes, right? I know that sometimes each piece that you're baking, you should sift it in.
Yes.
It makes it easier and better when you're baking, so use that every day for when you're doing that. This is what, all right, exactly.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
what I was talking about earlier,
Look
when
at
you're
this.
washing your fruit and your
You wanna
berries.
rinse off your fruit and berries. Look how easy this is. This is what I'm talking about with that stainless steel, tightly woven construction right there. Helper handle right there on the side, and then again, this is going to be your cool touch handle. And what are you going to be doing?
I am straining this can of peas that I say all the time, like you're doing, you know, garbanzo beans, chickpeas, kidney beans.
Yes.
We love to do like cold bean salads, even in the winter, and you're always having to strain them. And then I could also put these on somewhere like this pot, and let them keep straining.
Yes.
And that is just fantastic. And then that tip of always running water through to get that sodium out of any of the beans that you're going to have, that's a really, really important for you to do. So you can do that with the strainers. So we're getting all 3 of these for $22.50. Just pick your favorite color. They all have a white background on the handle. That's the black set that Lisa's holding. We have a blue set. We have the red set. and the green set on the end. Over 100 gone in the show.
Love these.
Yeah, I'm really impressed. And we have all 3 sizes, which is really helpful. And you're going to have something for everything that you're going to need. K79904.